lay still, motionless, my life draining from me. Lord, forgive me for my sins. I've done wrong, I'm sorry, body's battered and bruised. Not much time left. You can cheat other people, but you can't cheat death. See the bodies of my friends all around me, heavy casualties. My eyes full with tears when I think about their families. Good men that have loved and hoped for redemption. It's the one thing we all share without exception. The pain's dulling now, that's not a good sign. Some of the blood I see around me is probably mine. Meters away, my enemies share my pain. It's clear to me now our differences make us the same. Can anybody hear me? Listen to me carefully. Think about her perfume and the fact she's always there for you. Think about the hard things when she held you close. It's the things we take for granted that we need the most. I should have tried harder, I should have made it work, but I was stubborn and I acted like I never gave up. Needed help, needed guidance, it's too late to cure me. We don't always want what we need now, do we? It seems so stupid now, I was ignorant. It's funny, had the love of my family. I never needed money, thought I was doing the right thing to protect and serve. Maybe in the end, we just get what we deserve. This can't be, it can't be my time. I want to tell my son how proud it makes me that he's mine. This tin soldier's time's up, wind me up, let me go. If you really love someone, then let them know. Don't end up like me, please walk away. Go home, hug your children and watch them play. And a little well take every fourth line like so. Pass this message on and let the good times roll.
Little while, people and places will be so far behind, out of my body. In a little while, I will play aces and raise my glass in an act of defiance.
I asked for peace, God sentenced me to suffer instead. He's walking down my street, drenched in the blood of the deed. All I can do is wait a bit to meet my miserable end. A hopeless cunt with less to lose than his invisible friend. Let's go back to the beginning. God makes men and women, they partake in sinning. Welding shut the gateway to heaven. The Creator took it bad, so we iron in his fist. Handed oi as a punishment disguised as a gift. We call it life, it's the price we pay for the shite we do. Death is our sweet release, may we rest in peace. Love is a drug and we're chasing the perfect high. Hate's every mistake that we're too petty to let lie. Peace is achievable through inner acceptance. War isn't meaningful when kids are your weapons. Mind is a matter that I'd rather be over, and recruits a bunch of naive want to be freeloaders. I don't plan to be much, just insufferable, untouchable, married in dust. I swear to fuck I'll kick the drugs if they don't hammer me first. Throw your feelings to the ceiling if you want to be touched. Life's poetry, and mine's a memory nice knowing you. A half-completed jigsaw, a cynical sing-song. Nowhere to escape to and it's rotting my brain. I'm stopping my train of thought at the station of Satan selling my soul. But no for platinum plaques. So unique I'm sampling a heart attack. You'll get it, I'm bringing you the darkness back. Forgotten policy, the Asian artifact. I think if God's on our side, we must be the bad guys. I've never seen a twinkle in a dead man's eyes. Created by a being just as hard as his times. In a little while, people and places will be so far behind.
In a little while, people and places will be so far behind.